Today, I'm joined by Jason Youngblood, Senior Director and Clinical Leader at Cigna Healthcare, who's focused on Cigna's behavioral health programs that are best positioned to support you and your organization. Hello, Jason, and thanks so much for joining us today.
Hi, Jeff. Thank you for having me. It's always great to spend time with you here.
So, Jason, one trend we're seeing is that prioritizing behavioral health care is an increasingly important component in employer benefit programs. There's just so much pressure right now for employers to support their workforce while needing to drive productivity. One of the stats we're tracking shows that 83% of employees experience work-related stress, impacting stress levels and certainly the productivity in the workforce. Employees look to their employers for behavioral health support for themselves and their family members. So, Jason, can you talk about how your team is looking at this and its impact to our clients' organizations?
Yes, absolutely. Well, in the environment where 1 out of 4 people are impacted by a behavioral health condition, and roughly 50% of them never get access to care, it's no wonder that employees are seeking connections to care and looking to their employer group for support. So we're always looking for ways where we can make a difference in behavioral health for our clients and for their employees. And we hear that employees don't understand what's available to them or they don't understand how to access that support. We've also heard how behavioral health is impacting workers' well-being and productivity, ultimately creating lots of stress, and chronic stress can lead to burnout, and burnout leads to turnover for our clients. A few things that we've looked at is making virtual care and digital tools easier and convenient to access right through My Cigna to help emotional well-being needs. One of those key things that we've added is the ability to live chat with a human being around the clock from your phone, from your computer, whenever you may need that support. Also, we've added some preventative capabilities, enabling employees to reach out, be more connected to help, to get help and support earlier before their issues become more permanent or more of a significant concern. Another thing that we've done is we've made access to MD Live easy and convenient. With MD Live, you can get access to a therapist or psychiatrist online, including even scheduling that appointment. Really like Talkspace as part of our network. With Talkspace, you can do asynchronous text chatting or video chatting with the therapist in your own time to get the support that you need. Wrapping around all of that are additional specialty coaching programs for individuals with specific needs, and online therapy with a licensed clinician. So many more options for folks.
Those sound like great resources, Jason. So can you talk about what Cigna Healthcare is doing to provide behavioral health support to employees?
Absolutely. We're making it easier for employees to find and access the care that they need by providing extra personalized support, which can lead to a healthier and productive workforce. Making sure that employees are aware of the benefits are the key. I'd like to talk about a few things specifically. One, with our Cigna Total Behavioral Health Benefit, wrapped around with our enhanced EAP program, really is taking behavioral benefits to the next level by adding unlimited in-the-moment coaching with a clinician around the clock. I am very excited about this. If an individual is in need of support, having questions answered, they can call in and they can gain access to a licensed behavioral clinician in the moment to talk to them for up to an hour. They can talk to them again. And they may get what they need from that consultation, or we may need to transition them. And so if they need transitioned to an outpatient therapist or they want to see somebody in their community, we're adding the assistance of a clinical navigator. And so clinical navigators identify appropriate care services. They identify available providers. When employees are in need of real-time behavioral health support, our Confide Behavioral Health Navigator provides the guidance needed when it's needed the most. And so they focus on helping that individual get matched to the kind of therapist that will be the right fit for them. And then with the addition of wrapping this around to a total employee population through adding the enhanced EAP, it becomes not only a benefit for covered plan members, but for all employees and all household members.
Thanks, Jason. That's so helpful that the clinical navigator provides that real-time support to make finding and accessing care easier. Connecting employees to care is crucial, and connected care between emotional and physical health is just as important. Here's another hot topic. Can you talk about some actions Cigna Healthcare is taking to address whole person health?
Absolutely. Our whole person care approach helps make sure that employees can be their healthiest, they can function their best, and grow your organization. There is great value integrating medical and behavioral. I think it's an old adage, healthy mind leads to a healthy body. So integrated benefits help get us there. They drive greater savings and health improvement opportunities for employers and employees. When benefits are integrated, enables more connected care, inclusive of physical and mental health, leading to that improved whole person health. And studies show that employers with integrated Cigna Healthcare benefits save, on average, $862 a year for each member diagnosed with diabetes and depression, and an average of $17,476 a year for members with conditions requiring specialty medications along with depression. So it's really crucial for our clients to understand the overall behavioral health landscape, different care journeys their employees are on, and the importance of offering robust and comprehensive behavioral health networks and resources.
There's so much to talk about when it comes to behavioral health. Thank you, Jason, for sharing some insights around this trend clients can be on the lookout for in 2024.
Thank you, Jeff. I'm glad that I had the opportunity to be here with you talking about this important topic and it impacts our clients and partners.
And to our listeners, thank you so much for tuning in and being such a valued partner. As your consultative growth partner, we're invested in the health and productivity of your employees and your organization's success. We look forward to sharing more information on these key 2024 trends and more topics like them with you in the future. We know the healthcare ecosystem can feel complex and uncertain at times, but we're focused on helping you and your employees navigate what's ahead. We have a plan, and as your partner, we'll be by your side every step of the way.